kindly hold your own boarding pass and your ID upon boarding at the gate. Once again, requesting all guests on flight 5J135 bound for Mactan, Cebu to kindly hold your own boarding pass and valid ID upon boarding at the gate. Thank you.
Welcome to your Cebu Pacific flight. To make moments happen with you. This is 5J135 bound for Mactan, Cebu. Only guests please fly to Mactan, Cebu must be on board. If you have a different flight number or destination, please call your cabin crew for assistance. May I request all guests to please store your hand-carried baggage under the seat in front. Please prioritize all big bags and big trolleys and storage bins above you. Should you need assistance, please do not hesitate to call on any of your cabin crew. For everyone's health and safety, please be informed that road lane regulations require guests in public transportation to wear face masks at all times. Any guests requiring assistance, may press the attendant call button. And for information, if you're seated by the emergency exits, read carefully the passenger briefing card located by your seat. All bags should be placed in the overhead bins before takeoff and before landing. This is for the guests seated by the emergency exits, row 1 ABC and rows 12 and 14. If you don't wish to perform the functions described in case of an emergency, please ask the cabin crew to receive you.
Welcome aboard.
May I request everyone to please remain seated and to return to your assigned seats as we are about to close the main cabin door. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone, this is from flight and first officer responsibility of Captain I. Welcome aboard flight 135 service to Mactan, Cebu. Flight time today is approximately 45 minutes after airport will be cruising highest 23,000 feet. Weather en route forecast to be cloudy. Mactan weather update shall be reported prior to our descent. In accordance with Philippine regulation, all guests on board are required to wear face masks while inside the aircraft. Safety and comfort is always our priority. We request all guests to pay attention to the announcements from the flight deck and cabin crew. Your usual patience, compliance, full cooperation are highly appreciated. Please do not hesitate to call on the attention of our cabin crew should you require further assistance or clarifications on the important measures. We wish you a safe and pleasant journey. Thank you for flying Cebu Pacific.
As a safety precaution, mobile phones and other portable charge devices must be set to silent mode. Voice communication with the use of mobile phones is prohibited while the cabin doors are closed. Once again, as a safety precaution, mobile phones and other portable charge devices must be set to silent mode. We have just closed the main cabin door. Thank you. Hello everyone, this is Moy, and together with my team, welcome aboard Cebu Pacific, making first moments happen with you. We are now ready to depart for Mactan, Cebu. The command of the aircraft is Captain Malastas, assisted by First Officer Rex Orvo. Our flying time is approximately 30 minutes.
Ladies and gentlemen, please direct your attention to your cabin crew who will demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. Each seat is provided with a seat belt. To fasten, push ends together. Tighten seat belt by pulling loose end. To unfasten, lift top of buckle and pull free end to release. In case of water landing, your life vest is found under your seat. Remove sharp objects from your body. To don, slip vest over the head. Take tape around the waist and push end to buckle. Pull tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull inflation tags to inflate vest. Manual inflation is done by means of the red tubes. Blow to increase air, and push pins inward to release air. Light automatically illuminates once the battery is immersed in water. Do not inflate the life vest inside the aircraft. Please be reminded that unauthorized removal of life vests from the aircraft constitutes theft and is punishable by law. In case of rapid change in cabin pressure, oxygen masks will automatically drop from the compartments above you. Immediately grab the mask and pull it towards you.
Remove your face mask and put the oxygen mask over your nose and mouth.
Pull elastic band sideways for snug fit and uniform. Put your own mask first before assisting others. Keep it on until you are advised to remove it. In case of emergency evacuation, follow the lights that will lead you to the exits. For further information, please refer to the passenger briefing card found in your seat pocket. This aircraft is equipped with emergency exit signs found in the cabin. The location of the nearest exit may be behind you. Each cabin door is equipped with a slide raft. In any eventuality, guests must leave their bags and immediately proceed to the usable exits. There are also fire extinguishers in the cabin. Operation of the device is indicated on the equipment itself. We are about to take off. Straighten up your seats. Fasten seatbelts securely. Keep window shades open and tray tables stowed. Voice communication with the use of mobile phones is prohibited while cabin doors are closed. This is a non-smoking flight. Use of vape, e-cigarette, and all smoking or vapor inhaling and emitting devices is prohibited by Philippine civil aviation regulations. Please stop using your gadget if the battery becomes excessively low. This refers to all gadgets powered by lithium battery or charger.
Having good takeoff stations.
The seatbelt sign is switched off. For your safety, we require you to keep your seatbelt loosely fastened whenever you are seated. This is a non-smoking flight. Temporary, disabling, or destroying the smoke detectors located in the lavatories is prohibited by law.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to invite you to lend a helping hand from the comfort of your seat as we now pass the step change for goods donation bank. Every contribution will go to UNICEF's programs in education, health, nutrition, protection, and support in emergencies. Thank you. Thank you very much, our dear guests of Flight 5J135 for UNICEF donations. We will now seal the donation bag. To find out more about UNICEF's program for children, visit unicef.ph. Once again, thank you very much for opening your hearts to help the most vulnerable children and families. Thank you again for supporting UNICEF Change for Good in Cebu Pacific. Turbulence for your own safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened. Avoid standing up and going to lavatories at this time. And we'd like to inform you that we'll not be able to conduct the fun games due to time constraints and turbulence. We'll be landing shortly. Thank you. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, we'll be landing shortly, so if you wish to go to the lavatories, now is the best time. Thank you. Thank you again, our dear guests of Flight 5J135 for your UNICEF donations. We'll now seal the donation bag. Thank you.
Having to prepare for
Ladies and gentlemen, we are now arriving at the seat, and the captain has switched on the fasten seatbelt sign. At this time, make sure the window shades are open, tray tables are stowed, seatbelts are in their upright position, and your seatbelts are securely fastened.
at the landing station.
Hello everyone, Cebu Pacific welcomes you to Mactan Cebu International Airport. For your safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please check your surroundings to ensure that you do not leave your personal belongings behind. Be cautious with the overhead bins as heavy items may have moved during the flight. Mangyari po lamang na manatiling nakaupo at hintayin matanggal ang ilaw sa fasten seatbelt sign bago tumayo para kunin ang inyong mga kagamitan. Nais din namin ipaalam sa inyo na ang paggamit ng palikuran sa mga sandaling ito ay nahigpit na ipinagbabawal. On behalf of your entire Cebu Pacific team, headed by our flight deck crew, Captain Manalastas, and First Officer Francis Xavier, together with your cabin crew, we thank you for making Cebu Pacific a part of your important moments. It was truly a pleasure having you all on board, and we do hope to fly you to more fun in the future. Once again, thank you everyone for flying Cebu Pacific. We ask that you keep your area clean and tidy. Kindly clear your seat pockets of any remaining trash, and please bring this with you as you leave your seats. You may dispose this in the bin that will be provided near the exit. We seek your cooperation in ensuring that no trash is left behind the aircraft. Muli po namin pinaalalahanan ng lahat ng panauhin na huwag mag-iwan ng mga bagay na nais ninyong itapon sa loob ng eroplano. Mangyari po lamang na dalhin ang mga ito sa inyong pagbaba. Salamat po. For guests with infants, the infant's life vests shall be collected after disembarkation. For safety reasons, please leave the infant life vest inside the seat pocket and be reminded that unauthorized removal of the life vest from the aircraft is a serious offense.
Cabin crew disarm doors for arrival cross-check.
Our cabin crew will stand up momentarily to do safety-related procedure. Please remain seated.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, please remain seated and wait for the fasten seatbelt signs to be switched off. Thank you.
Guests needing assistance like wheelchair, you may be playing less using the forward door only.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, please wait for the fasten seatbelt signs to be switched off. Thank you.
When
It's now safe for yourself to get your bag and overhead.